So accessing data in a dictionary is pretty simple by design. If I have the dictionary above and I want to print out the name of that person, obviously this dictionary object represents maybe an employee record in HR software or something like that. So if I want to print out the employee's name, I would print and then I would give the dictionary name. And notice here I'm using square brackets to reference the key. Okay, the key is a name and it's a string and it's in square brackets. When I define a dictionary, you can see I'm using these curly braces. That's a key difference between a dictionary and a list in terms of how it looks. You can always recognize a dictionary by the key and value pairs, but also by the curly braces. So if I want to take the name and print it out, I can print it by putting this directly inside a print function, or I could take that name and I could put it into its own variable called str name. Now, when I do this, I'm taking a copy of it and putting it in here. I'm not removing it from the dictionary. I'm just saying whatever's in here, also put that in here. So when I want to change about, oh yeah, question.
What's the big difference between doing it with just the print function and then string variables in a longer code?
What's the difference between just printing it and putting it into a variable? Well, first of all, obviously, this prints it out to the screen. This doesn't do anything visible. But this, if I wanted to save this in a different variable and do something else with it later, that's a valid way of doing it. Basically, I'm saving it for later if I do it here. Right now, here, I'm just printing it out. Yeah.